What up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna talk about muscle imbalances. Okay, so why do they happen and how to get rid of them? You know, we don't want one chest to be bigger than the other or one bicep to be bigger than the other. Okay, so why this happens is basically your muscles get more work, right? Like, for example, if you're right hand dominant, your right hand is stronger. So when you're for example when you're fucking bench pressing, right? When the weight gets heavy with a barbell, when your left hand can't handle the weight anymore, your right side is still gonna be able to squeeze a few reps out there. So it's gonna get more work from the right side. And that's gonna cause, not right away, but after months and years of training like that, it's gonna cause muscle imbalances. And that happens with not just the chest, but every other muscle it can happen. Okay? Now, how do you prevent that? Now, I see some people on the internet, they do, in one hand, they do 40 pounds, and in the other hand, they do 30 pounds. Don't do that shit. If you do that, you're a fucking idiot. Don't do that shit. That's bullshit. That's stupid. That's fucking moronic. Don't fucking do that. Okay? What you should do is start switching to dumbbell training. Dumbbell training, that's the first option you can do. You can maybe switch it up, right? So do one workout with barbells, one workout with dumbbells, or just, include some dumbbell exercises in your current training routine. Now, what's gonna do that? Look, when you have a barbell, you hold it with both hands. So the right side is naturally gonna take control. But when you have dumbbells with equal weight, your right hand can't control the left side because it has its own set of weights. So you still have to push it up. And that's gonna help a lot with the muscle imbalances. With the upper pressing for the shoulders, the chest, the biceps, it's gonna help a lot in most of those areas. So switching to dumbbell training, it's gonna alleviate most of the problem. Now, if it's really serious, right, then you should maybe try some unilateral work. That's basically doing one side at a time. So let's say you're doing dumbbell overhead press, so you only have one dumbbell in your hand, and you're pressing first, you go to the left side. Bam! Now you're doing about 10 reps, then you switch the dumbbell to the next arm, and now you're doing 10 reps here. You just switch back and forth, right? That's unilateral work. That's another option. The mode, but me personally, I just don't like the unilateral work. I just like to switch up the dumbbells. That helps tremendously. So, I really hope this video helped you out, guys. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. Peace out, guys.